Every day when I come to Sibley, I see the tireless devotion of our teams in providing excellence and compassionate care. But what you don't see is the impact that your generosity has made on our team. Whether it's through a meal, a donation, a thoughtful card or message, it makes such a difference to our teams.
You know, COVID has placed a tremendous burden on our workforce, and we have just been overwhelmed by the support that our community has provided us over the last 12 months as we go through this pandemic. As a great example, across the first several months of the pandemic, we received over 30,000 donations of meals that helped feed our staff as they were on the front lines battling COVID and taking care of our patients.
Almost every day, it's a different restaurant bringing meals for the healthcare workers. Even security, nutrition, even though they supply food, they still bring food for them too. It's nice.
There's so many ways that Sibley has supported our employees. The employee food pantry was made possible by a foundation. It developed into so much more than just a bag of food. It was the thought and the care of multiple departments working together to put together snacks such as peanut butter, pasta, things that employees could make for their families after working here all day. And I think our pantry was really more than just a bag of food. That was an experience of Sibley's mission.
We have had over 160 nurses that were cross-trained to be able to take care of a sicker patient population. It's really been a very humbling experience to be able to offer these resources to our nurses.
With the pandemic, we had to pivot in a short amount of time to continue to provide care to our rehab patients. We weren't sure at that time if our services would be reimbursed for telemedicine, but with the support from our donors, we were able to continue to provide the resources to deliver this care for our patients.
With your generous support, we've been able to do so many things that we wouldn't have been able to do otherwise. Some of those include having a semi-permanent tent for testing, where we've tested over 50,000 individuals to date. Standing up a vaccine clinic, which takes a lot of time and effort. And with your support, we've been able to really successfully accomplish those two tasks.
I have to say, I feel so blessed to be here. There's nothing that the community hasn't done for us. And it's just, honestly, it brings us to tears sometimes.
I am so excited that the foundation is supporting certification this year. Almost feels like I have a bonus now for educating myself fully and being more useful at the hospital and giving better patient care.
Because of your generous donations, we were able to take a space, it's called the Resiliency Room, and kind of change it around, a safe space where our staff can come and they can take 5 to 10 minutes and just take a break. Because you're helping us, we're able to help our patients.
Thank you so much for supporting us at RISE. It has truly boosted the morale here at Sibley.
RISE stands for Resilience in Stressful Events. At times it's really stressful on them. They've cried and they've shared with us, if it wasn't for RISE, I really would have left today feeling horrible, and they're extremely appreciative of the time that we've provided with them.
With your generous donations, we've been able to give employees financial help, and so we are ever grateful because we know that in the midst of a pandemic, we can all reach out and be of help to others, so thank you.
What people don't know is when you walk into the hospital each day, you never know what you're gonna face. We have a workforce here that show up, they're ready, they're available, and they give it their all every day. They leave nothing on the table. So we really appreciate the philanthropic efforts, the donations, the prayers, the well wishes, the acknowledgments, and the thank yous, because they go a long way during this time.
On behalf of the entire Sibley family, those who you saw today and those who you didn't, we thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you again.
Thanks for everything that you all do for the healthcare workers here at Sibley.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for all your continued support.